name is Fiona, and I just got my package from Tatting Corner. I'm in Canada, so it takes me a little bit longer. I've opened it up, but I haven't really looked inside. I peeked a little bit. But let's open it together and let's see what's inside, and I'll do this monthly for you, okay? Thanks. So the first thing is size 20, Purple Iris Fusion. So that's gorgeous. Thank you. I don't think I have this one at home, so that's perfect. Thank you. Size 10 Rainbow Splash. I have a daughter who loves rainbow. She's 8 years old. She's gonna love this. I think she's gonna steal it from me. Size 40. Ooh, I've never worked in size 40, so I'm excited for that. Size 40 Grape Medium. That's gorgeous, and actually it'll go really well with this one. That's perfect. Moonlit Shuttle. I love these because they have the little crochet hook on the end, so it's really nice to have that. And then I don't know if you guys know, but on the back there's a pattern, which I really love. I love making this pattern. It's really cool, and actually it's in this color. If you look, that's kind of cool. And in here is a little package. What's in here? So Crafting Corner, Tatting Corner pen. Thank you. A little keychain. I love that. That would be so cool. Actually, I have some little crochet hooks that I might hook off at this, and then I can just put it into my baggie. Some O-rings. I haven't tattered around O-rings yet, so I'm excited to see this. I have stolen some of my husband's, but I haven't actually done it yet. So this is perfect. I can't wait to try that out. I've watched lots of YouTube videos on how to do it. And what else do we have? Oh, two little, I think you call them Cabochons, is that right? I've seen people make ice drops. There's actually a group on Facebook that shows how to make ice drops, so you tat around them, and they can be a focal point, a little center point for that. So that's cool. Two cool colors. I know my daughter will love this one. Teal's her favorite color, so thank you very much. And then the last thing is a pattern. So this one's a cross bookmark. And it says that it's adapted from Work Basket, January 1954. I love that we have a craft that we can do that's been done for so many years by so many ladies and gentlemen, which I just think is cool. So the patterns are, I don't think I can show it too much online, so I won't do that. But I'll do this monthly, and thank you, Lisa, so much for doing this. I'm so excited to get new tatting stuff every month. So thank you very much, guys. I'll see you later.